Hello everyone, welcome back to Dividend Production. There is one question that I'm very curious about is how the rich are able to afford luxury mansion as well as go to the vacation most of the time to relax themselves, yet their income kept flowing in. Other than that, they're able to have private jet, private airplane and all. Last but not least, their net worth kept increasing time by time. Based on the research, average people will only have one stream of income. But in another way, millionaires, they are having multiple streams of income, averagely 7 streams of income. How can we turn from 1 stream of income to 7 streams of income? You're interested to know about book summary, personal finance management, as well as self-improvement. Please remember to hit the subscribe button to Dividend Production. To the topic, firstly, earn income. Earn income referring to the 9 to 5 working hours that spend in the office and receive salary per month. Secondly, professionals such as doctor, lawyer, they're receiving their income based on project. Last but not least is the promoter in a fashion retail store. They are receiving wages per hour. This is all we call earned income, that we trading time for money, yet our time is limited and income is limited as well. Secondly, profit income. Profit income is, for example, you are the owner of a shoe store and you manage to have a weekly sales meeting in order for you to increase the revenue of the store. All of a sudden, you come out with a brilliant promotion that earns you brilliant revenue. At the same time, revenue minus cost equal to profit. And you manage to increase the revenue of the store by solving the problem faced by your audience. This is why we call when the others complaining, the opportunity arises. Thirdly, interest income. Giving an example, you are the business of a shoe store and all of a sudden you would like to sell off the business to the third party in order to have a peace of mind. During the negotiation, both of you agree with the term and condition. Selling the business at $1 million with 5 years of tenures to pay back the money together with 5% per annum of interest. If the party agree with the term and condition and please the signing on the deal. In this scenario, you manage to have a peace of mind as well as spend more quality time with your family members. At the same time, no worries about the business because you have sold the business for $1 million. At the same time, you are earning an interest income. Fourthly, dividend income. Giving you an example, you would like to invest in a public listed company. At the same time, to be part of the shareholder. In this scenario, if the company managed to earn a brilliant profit for that respective year, they will share among the huge amount of profit to their shareholders in terms of dividends. For example, you're owning 100 shares of that company, they're paying you $10 per annum. This is what we call dividend income. Fifthly, rental income. In this example, you are having 2 properties. The first property is you bought it for own stay. The second property, you bought it and rent it out to the others. Based on the most famous personal finance author Robert T. Kiyosaki, he explained well regarding asset. In the first scenario, your monthly payment is $1,200. There is no cash flow in the first scenario. Second scenario, monthly rental $1,400, monthly payment $1,200. There is a cash flow in the second scenario. This example, the first scenario is what we call liability, the second example is what we call asset, because it brings income back into your cash flow every month. Up next, residual and royalty income. In this example, you work very hard just for one time and you manage to receive the payment of check continuously. When you wrote a book that continue to be sold, as well as the videos that you made continue to be viewed, last but not least, the game you created still continuously being played. This scenario, royalty income, is a form of residual income. You will be earning royalty income when you are letting the others to use your idea or property to generate income. Giving you an example, you are one of the best-selling authors, and once the publishing company kept producing the book that written by you and sold it to the public. At the time, even though you're enjoying, relaxing, yet you're still receiving your payment of check. Last but not least, capital gains. In the first scenario, you're having a property that you love it so much and you bought it at $200 at the time. After that, you managed to sell the property for $250 and you managed to earn $50,000 in the first scenario. In the second scenario, you bought 100 shares at $10 and you managed to sell the share to $110 per share. Till the end, you managed to earn $10,000 in terms of capital gains. In this example, we should focus on assets that will keep appreciating from time to time. Now it's question time. Which source of income sounds the best to you? Please feel free to share your point of view in the comment box down below. As always, thank you so much for watching Dividend Production. And please remember, hit the subscribe button and grow together with Dividend Production. Till next week, bye!